You ever wonder what's inside your Coleman or Fleetwood roof? Today I'm going to show you. And you know how we're going to do it? With one of these. The goal of today's video is to assist you if you're considering a rebuild. We'll cut the ends off each 3 of these roofs, showing a cross section, and we'll measure out the different materials that we find inside. If you're ready, let's get started. And of course, safety first. We see the ABS roof is constructed with the ABS plastic, foam core, and again, ABS plastic. For our second roof, we find channel construction on the sides and on the ends. On the inside, we find foam core. So we have a thin sheet metal up top, 1/8 inch of plywood, channel or foam, and then 1/8 inch of plywood again. The inside is a more decorative plywood on one side. This is called Luan. For this roof, our layers are our metal skin, styrofoam along the top and on the sides. We have a wooden piece here for this rounded corner, and the inside is a 1/4 inch Luan. And that does it, folks. You can see the construction is pretty basic on these roofs. Can you rebuild it? Yes, you can. If you have questions along the way or you need a little bit more help, please let us know. We'll do our best to help you. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.